excited. As you can see, we made it to Christmas house. There you go. I made these last night for you. What do you think? Yeah, you've got starry leggings. Are you going to put them on? So Bea has discovered the pink glittery star situation that started last night, and she has designed herself this on her plain top that we've got. That's wonderful, darling. So I'll press it first in the heat press, which is now warming up again. So I'll press it first and then you can add your designs.
Ready, Peso? Ready? Ready? Ready?
Oh, well done, Peso. Ooh. Yeah, good. Oh, brilliant.
Is that upside down?
Yeah, turn it around.
Sticky. Oh, sorry.
Oh, Peso.
Put it another way.
Brilliant.
Do
Do you want any further up? Yeah? Oh, the actual star.
Is it on your hand?
Where is it? Where did it go?
Has it fallen off onto the floor?
Peso. Yes, it Peso.
Did it fall off on the floor, Boo?
Where was it, sweetheart? You just point to it then. Here?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, are you happy with that, my love? All right, let's do it.
Octonauts, step back from the machine.
Yes. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, Bea, you ready?
Okay, come and look at this, Bea.
You're coming to see?
But don't touch the machine.
Don't touch the machine. Octonauts, don't touch the machine.
You're doing a very good job though,
You
Boo.
are.
You're being very careful.
Okay, 5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
0. Woo! Let's see, has it worked? I'm just going to check. Actually, I'm going to pull the tray out. Ugh. It's worked. Look, Bea. Right, and then what we do...
Let's take the seconds.
Yeah, I'm going to make sure they're nice and cool. Bea. Yeah, you can blow on them if you like. Okay, and then... Yeah, they're fine. Okay, do you want to peel it off?
Whoa!
Yay! Very cool. Yeah, I'm just wondering, these three might not have worked because I think they need to be on a different setting. But the stars look amazing. Yeah. Look at that, Bea. You designed this beautiful. Yeah. Okay, so let me just have a little look. Oh no, they're okay. Yeah, they've worked. Yeah, they're just a little bit harder to peel off, but that's... Yeah, look at that. Oh, brilliant. Yeah? Oh, yes, perfect. Yay! Yay! Look at your top, darling.
Do you want to hold it up? Way!
Yes,
well done, team.
People would think, let's build a summer house in the summer, because that makes sense, but not us. We've chosen the coldest week of the year. Oh my goodness, it is so cold out here, but Stephen is being an absolute champion. I'm looking after Bea and coming out and doing what I can, and yeah, it's a bit crazy. But yeah, okay, we've got frost, we've got icicles, we're doing it. shed is going to be finished this weekend. Hey everyone, I'm in my warmest hat. I know it looks ridiculous, but it's so warm. Stephen has taken Bee to the homeware store, Homebase. So me and the shed are getting acquainted. So I'm just sanding and pulling out nails of the last few beams. And Stephen's got to get some other beams because some of them were a bit rotten. But it is freezing, but so beautiful today. It's like, look at the frosty, I mean obviously ignore our shed rubbish, but it's so beautiful and frosty and fresh and yeah, brisk. Is that what people call it? Brisk. It's brisk. But yeah, so I'm just listening to Christmas music and doing some sanding. All right, I'll see you in a bit.
A little bit small, that one. Should we get a longer one? What about these ones up here? Do you like these ones? Are they the right ones? Yes, they are.
Jolly, jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. Have holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year.
Okay, end of the DIY day. Let's go. Oh, it's gonna get loud.
And it was not, that's why it was not working properly.
Oh. So you think it's still in there?
Yes.
A little bit. Well, it was all good things, wasn't it? It helped you, so
Yeah.
yeah. Right, Bee, look, oh, no one's there. I thought it would be really busy on a Saturday. Yay, no one's there.
It's working properly now.
Oh good, I'm so pleased. Look, Bee, look, where are we?
The Christmas house.
Yay, we're at Christmas house.
Wow.
Wow. Oh, it looks amazing. Do you think they've got anything?
Nothing.
Wow.
The Grinch.
The balloons. Yeah, I think the giraffe might be. I don't remember the giraffe, and I don't remember the birds, and the littler ones.
It's Olaf and Bullseye and Woody.
Yeah. Hi, Olaf.
My favourite character.
Oh, Bee. Who else have we got? Let's see who else there is. Do you spot an elf holding a candy cane?
Yeah.
Yeah, and do you spot a penguin?
Oh.
There's a penguin, Bee. I'll give you a clue. You're standing right next to it. Oh yeah, there's one there as well. But look, he's this. Penguin! And there's one up on the roof. Oh, two up on the roof. Oh, Bee. I know it was a little bit of a secret place. Because they showed me, let us see the lights, but we can't go into the house, okay? We can look Are you ready? Vlogmas Day 10!
Happy Vlogmas Day, Octopus.
Octopus! Okay, so I've come out with the work lamp on to try and hammer as late as possible, but I think I'm going to stop now because it's got to be nearly 6:30. But I just wanted to do a bit more of the roof to help Stephen because he's done so much today. But he did all those and you can see the ones I did where I can't get the nails loads of places. It's really hard hammering nails in. But anyway, I've done what I can and I think he'll be really pleased because I just said I was going out to tidy up. So that was my little secret DIY-ness. I've only got a few left.
Yeah.
Yak, very good. Yeah for yak. Yeah. Why? Yeah.
Bye.
Very good, B. Yes. Okay, what else? What's next?
Go.
Goat. G for goat. G.
Go.
G. So that's j. I'm not good at my phonics. I really need to learn these words, these letters. G for goat.
That's
Yeah, very good.
Come here, Min.
Okay, B.
Min. Come over to Daddy. What day is it today?
I need a clue.
Okay, so it was what? It was 1. Yes, that one. Right, come over here. I'll read it to you.
10, B. It's number 10.
Number 10.
Do you like the way I climb through in one of my little doors?
I would give it 10 out of 10.
Oh, Dad, what's this?
Right, you ready?
Ready.
10th of December. That's right, that's today. Okay. Oh. Are you listening carefully? Let's put your IPU over here.
iPad.
Your iPad. I'm so sorry. Let's put your iPad just to one side and focus on this. You've got to listen carefully. On the 10th, all the fairies wondered just what to give. So they went to the mushroom where the cat family live. There they called down a rainbow from up in the stars and left it for you in 8 glittering jars.
Oh.
Where are you going? They said apparently they went to the mushroom where the cat family live.
Oh.
Do you know where that is?
Yes.
Where have you gone?
To the park.
We're looking for a mushroom, darling.
Mushroom.
Where the cat family
No,
live.
out of the kitchen. It's too messy. I don't want people to
It's
see
not
how
in the
messy it is. Let's stay in the tidier parts of the...
It's in the hallway, darling.
I genuinely don't know where this is.
What mushroom are we talking about? Oh, you're on the right idea. It's not the log where that family live, it's a mushroom where the cat family live. Are there any mushrooms down there?
We got to the
No?
end of the
Okay, you've gone
corridor.
too far.
Back again, B.
Getting cold.
Look on this side. You've already looked on that side, so look on this side now, Bee Boo. No,
the
you've
other
looked
side.
on that side.
You just looked at it.
You did.
Where's the big mushroom where the cat family live? Oh, you're right next to it.
Oh, wow.
What a baby.
Whoa! What an amazing 10th of December!
Actually called.
But it's
Pardon?
fairy dust.
It's fairy dust. It's magical fairy dust.
Fairy dust?
Yeah, very, very magical. This is the rainbow split into lots of different colours.
Wow, it's beautiful.
And the fairies left it specially for you for today.
Look at the bottles, they're so pretty.
Yeah.
I will see a fairy.
Do you want to put them safely in your museum before bed?
Okay. Put this here.
Hey guys, so while Stephen and Bea are watching a Christmas movie, oh, it's so good. I can't get warm. I'm just literally freezing. I just thought I would do my advent calendar. I haven't had a chance to just do this by myself, so I never really get to like take much notice of what's going on because I'm just trying to, you know, keep the little one at bay. But yeah. Gosh, we are, both Steve and I, just trying to stay awake. We're so knackered. This shed is kind of taking its toll on us, to be honest. All this DIY is like, it's just really exhausting. And it would be a bit easier if it wasn't really, really cold and also having to look after Bea at the same time, because basically we're just running backwards and forwards and making sure she's okay and trying to do bits here and there. It's just a bit crazy. But anyway, what can you do, eh? You must. So, door 10. Dun, dun, dun. Can't believe it's the 10th of December. I'm not at all ready. Oh, this is always very useful. Sorry, I'm really slow. I feel like I should speed up this bit so that I'm talking at a normal speed. Very useful indeed. A tape measure. Dun, 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 in yellow. Very cool indeed. All right guys, well, I have got editing to do, so if I end this here, maybe I can edit while they're watching the Christmas movie. So although I want to watch it too, I've got to get on with things. So I will love you and leave you. I can't wait to see what tomorrow brings. I'm really pleased that my folks are coming over, so we're going to have a nice roast here, and they're going to look after Bea while we finish the shed, I think. So yeah, a bit more DIYing, but maybe, just maybe, it will be the final day of actual building and then we can get on with the fun bit. But we'll see, it might not be, who knows. I just don't even want to guess that it could be right now. But anyway, I will see you then. Lots and lots of love, everyone. Take care. Bye bye.